Hello, in this lesson you will learn how to change the vendor master record. So let's begin by navigating the SAP menu. First go to logistics, then go to materials management and click on purchasing, click on master data, click on vendor, go to purchasing, and then double click on transaction MK02 change current. So let's go ahead and double click on that. The change vendor initial screen is displayed. In the purchasing organization, type in 0006, click in the vendor field, click on the search icon. Make sure that the vendor general tab is selected or displayed. In the name field, type star RAM star, and then click or press the enter key or click on the continue icon to confirm. You're looking for Ramco Inc. Highlight Ramco Inc. Or for this lesson we're going to highlight Ramco Inc. and double click on it to confirm. Now here we have the general data and we have the purchasing organization data. So we have to select the part on the screen that you would like to modify. So let's click on purchasing data and let's check the box of partner functions. And let's go ahead and click on the continue icon. Let's select the minimum order value and type 10, and let's select the salesperson and just type in Mike Smith. Click on the next page. Partner functions, you can add another line to the two here, or you could also select a line to delete by clicking here and then click on the delete line icon. You have just completed all the required changes for this vendor. So press the save icon to continue. Notice the status bar at the bottom of the screen showing a message that the changes has been made to vendor 100243. We have just learned how to make changes to the vendor master record. So let's go ahead and review some of the questions that come with this lesson. And if you get stuck or you have a problem, go back and review the material one more time.